Hi, I'm Kiki from KikaGoods. Today we are going to unbox Antu China Dunhuang 9-Color Deer Series Action Figure BJD Blind Box. Before diving in, do you still remember the Antu Mermaid series? You can get them from our online store. And don't forget to hit subscribe button in the lower right corner for more unboxing reviews. The sprite Antu has transformed into a Dunhuang celestial deer, super pretty this time. Do you want to appreciate the beauty of these little deer with me? Now, let's just get into it. The front of the packaging features a photo of the Dan figure. And the side displays some illustrations, including 6 regular styles and 1 hidden. The color schemes are all inspired by elements of Dunhuang culture. So, let's see who is in the first blind box. Wow, this is celestial music. Firstly, let's take a look at what's inside the packaging. It includes a main doll, an outfit, interchangeable handsets, and some accessory jewelry. Here, accessories may differ from specific figures. Notably, this time, Penny's box has improved the packaging by adding special protection for the antlers in the protective box. There is also an instruction manual with detailed installation guidance. You can see that her ID card is shaped like a fan, with the character's story introduction on the back. When it comes to Dunhuang, we easily imagine scenes of celestial beings playing music. Actually, I wasn't too interested in her before, but her face in person is incredibly beautiful. Look here, the golden deer antlers and pomegranate red hair color complement each other perfectly. And what I do appreciate is that different characters have unique combinations like this. Speaking of joints, we're quite familiar with the pony series. This centaur girl, we can make a simple comparison. One noticeable difference is that this series is much taller. Apart from the skin tone, another difference is the addition of joints at the waist. Additionally, the eye design has been updated to embedded eyepieces. The mobility is still excellent. The legs and hooves also have good mobility. The ponytail is fixed to the body but can swing left and right, as well as up and down. I tried posing it in a crouching position. Overall, the joints are very stable, so you don't need to worry about slipping or not being able to stand firmly. Actually, the little hooves are incredibly cute. Now, let's dress her up and see how beautiful she will look. This outfit can be put on without removing the head. The Velcro design makes dressing her up a breeze, saving so much time. Then put on the ribbon. The ribbon contains copper wire, so you can shape it into any style you like. After dressing her, we can add jewelry. The jewelry is made of soft rubber and isn't closed, so you can easily open it and place it on her body without disassembling the joints. The design of these jewels enhances her look to resemble the figures from Chinese Dunhuang murals, making her exceptionally beautiful. Additionally, she comes with interchangeable handsets, which are also designed to match the Dunhuang theme perfectly. If you look closely, there are delicate sparkles all over her clothes. And personally, I feel her outfit is so luxurious. Let's try to pose her in a flying posture. It's simply breathtaking. Here I want to say her clothing and color scheme align perfectly with our impression of Dunhuang. It represents the painted sculptures from that period. She embodies the graceful dancers depicted in ancient paintings. Okay, I can't wait to see who's the second one. For this figure, it represents the millennia-old murals of Dunhuang. Apart from its exquisitely carved antlers, she has a spot makeup on the face that is quite distinctive. Look here, the transparent hooves remind me of orange-flavored candy. Okay, similarly, let's first put on her accessories and look at what she looks like. I must say, the flexible material makes the design truly ingenious. It's so easy to put on her accessories. Her clothing is adorned with a lot of pretty details, including these sparkling golden threads. I'm not sure if you can tell. And the color scheme and patterns are directly inspired by Dunhuang murals. I want to say she carries a profound sense of cultural heritage that is unique to Dunhuang artifacts. So, is she the fairy in your dreams? Now, let's continue. I guess we got the one on the cover. Her name is Dan Mi. As we can see, she has a small flame in the center of her forehead, and her eyes are burning with a fierce fire also. In my opinion, this makeup is flawless. There is a lot of detail in the hair and antlers. I really like the butterfly hair accessory. I believe she'll look even more stunning once dressed. Honestly, I really admire the metallic decorations on her clothes, as well as the intricate patterns and prints reminiscent of Dunhuang art. The small bells adorning her outfit are my favorites. She is really beautiful. Guess who's about to be opened? Wow, the design inspiration for this comes from Dunhuang scrolls. Up closer, the half-closed eyes give her a divine appearance, and even the eyepieces and eyebrows are shaped like green leaves, which is very unique. I like these antlers very much, which resemble semi-transparent tree branches. Her braid also has a transparent gradient, which is particularly nice. Also, you can notice that her ears are different from the previous ones. Okay, now it's time to dress up. The skirt is a light yellow color reminiscent of rice paper. I think indeed resembling the yellowed pages of ancient books. I really like this color because it's very gentle. Do you know, I do feel like that the green color of the veil skirt resembles both trees and the covers of ancient books. It looks very pretty and elegant. This is one I personally highly recommend. Next one. This graceful lady is named Moon Spring, inspired by a scenic spot called Crescent Spring. I find her style to be quite unique among others. We can see her eyes are painted with water droplets, and her face bears designs of auspicious clouds. Her hair is exceptionally long, resembling the flow of a spring. Okay, there is her outfit and other accessories. It's worth noting that her dress needs to go through her arms. I must say, the color scheme and texture are both very clear and transparent. Upon closer, the light blue skirt is intricately sewn with silver threads, which is very delicate. In my opinion, she looks much more beautiful than in the pictures. So far, which one best represents Dunhuang in your mind? This is the last one. This one is also among my favorites in this series. We call it Baoxiang flower. I personally adore the pink and blue color scheme, and her hair is exactly the style I love. Playful and cute, paired with my favorite bow hair accessory. So let's get everything ready. From the reference pictures, we already know she's the only one in this series wearing pants. Her top is adorned with a special flower pattern, which is incredibly intricate. I must also mention the color of her pants complements the color of her hooves well. It all looks exceptionally beautiful. To be honest, I'm truly captivated by this series. Thank you so much for watching our blind box unboxing video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to smash that like button and share it with your fellow collectors. And of course, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more unboxing content. This is Kiki from KikaGoods. See you next time.